Hello, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a CrackMe that shows next screens. So let's try it first. This is the next screen CrackMe. So when we double click, it opens up and shows an opening neck and says please register, and when we click OK, it closes and shows you the main window, giving you some instructions. So this is what it looks like for the main window, and then when we try to close it, it shows you the closing neck with another reminder, kindly register. Then we click OK, it closes. So let's fire up your C++ builder. Click on File, New, Windows VCL Application. And then we are going to set the name of the project. Just right click and rename it. Let's call it Next Screens. Next, we are going to set the icon. So let's download the cat icon from Icon Archive. We'll select this cat. Click on the download. Open the downloads folder. And then just cut the cat icon and make sure you have a new folder there called 07 Next Screens. I'm going to delete my folder and recreate another one, 07 Next Screens. And then dump your icon there. Now we are going to save all files. So click File, Save All. Navigate to your 07 Next Screen folder and click Save. Click Save again and save one more time. Next, we will set the build configuration to Release by double clicking on Release. Then we right click on the project and click Options. We rename it first. Rename it to Next Screen. Earlier on we did it for the debug. Now we have to do it for the release. Then right click one more time, click Options. This time we are going to set the thing to be a standalone program. So go to C++ linker and uncheck the link with dynamic RTL. Then go down to Runtime Packages and uncheck link with runtime packages. Next, go up and look for the icon, and we are going to load the icon. Select the cat icon and open it. Click OK. Next, we are going to set the style for the appearance. Let's go and take a look at what styles are available to us. So just open your browser and navigate to crackinglessons.com. Click on Reversing. And search for Embarcadero. click on the link and appearance styles, and you can scroll down and look for a style which you like. I will choose Cyan Dusk. So come back to your options and look for Cyan Dusk. Make sure the default style is also Cyan Dusk. Click on Save. Next, we are going to add a group box. So select the group box from the palette and click in the form. We are going to change the caption for the group box. So change the caption in the Properties panel to Instructions. Then we are going to put two labels. So select the label, two labels. For the first label, go to the caption property and type in remove the opening and closing nags and adjust it. We don't need the second label since the first label is sufficient. Resize the group box and resize the form. Next, we are going to change the icon for the form, so make sure you select the form and then scroll down, look for the icon property, click on the three dots and load the cat icon. Click open, then click OK. Next, we are going to set the caption for the form. So make sure you select the form first and scroll down in the Objects Inspector and set the caption to read nag screams. Now it's set. We are now going to write an event handler for the form, but we don't know which one to use. So we can just double click on the form. When the form loads, it will trigger the form create event handler. And here is where we are going to show the opening nag. So we are going to make use of message boxes to show the opening nag. So type in application and select the key in message box, and the text will be please register, and the caption we are going to put opening nag, and the button we are going to put OK, and the icon we are going to put icon asterisk. So this will be the opening nag. Next, we are going to put another code for the closing nag. So let's go back to the design view and select the form. This time we can scroll down and look for on close event and double click to generate the form close event handler. Now we are going to put a message box here. So we just copy the earlier message box and paste it here, and just change the text to kindly register. And the caption, we will change it to closing nag. Now we can build it from here, or we can go to the project and click build next screens. So the build process has begun and is done. We can now test it by running from here, or we can go to the exe file directly in this location, Win32 release folder, and this is the one. Double click on it, and there you go, the opening nag. Click OK, and it shows you the main window with the instructions. Now we close it, and it shows you the closing nag. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.